We'll now take a look at the absolute value function. This function should be reviewed from previous courses before. So the equation of our absolute value function is f of x equals the absolute value of x. Here's a picture of this shape. So we remember that the shape of an absolute value graph is this V, and the two sides of the V are basically two pieces of lines. So this left side is the piece of a negative x line. The positive side is the graph is the piece of the positive x line. So if you were to graph y equals x and just take the right side of it, that would be this part. And if you were to graph y equals negative x, this left side, it's just a piece of that y equals x graph. So it's basically like two lines chopped and put together into making that V shape. So our shape here is that letter V. So we know our domain, we can see, is negative infinity to infinity. Now the range, we can see this V doesn't start until a y value of 0. So its range is everything from 0 to infinity. And if you think about plugging x values in, remember when you put a number into absolute value brackets there, even if it's a negative number to start with, those absolute value bars make it positive. So that's why this graph, this V, never goes below the x-axis, because absolute value makes it positive. So our range, bracket 0, comma, infinity. We can observe symmetry here with respect to the y-axis, so that tells us it's even. Now, because this is basically two pieces, a piece of two different lines, this line, a negative x graph, has a negative slope. So as we trace from left to right here, I'm falling until I hit 0, and then it turns around and it rises. So we can say this graph is increasing from 0 to infinity, the right side of the V, and it's decreasing from negative infinity to 0, the right side or the left side of the V.